Okay, today we're gonna show you our warehouse, the CNC router and laser. The first machine that we have here is a auto feed, the material auto feed from the back to the front with the 3 chain and the vacuum. And then the second machine is a CNC lathe. This is also two changer with the auto feed the material in and out. Okay. And then the third machine that we have here is a CNC laser. Can cut the thin and the thick material, very fast cutting. And this one is a CNC router, the mini one, the 600x900, can cut this kind of horse, the wood. And another one is a CNC router 2 chain, 1325 with a 12 2-changer. Okay, and the next one is a 5-axis CNC router, can cut all kind of all the surface, back, front, left, right, can cut off them. And the next one is a 3 2-changer with the vacuum, automatic 2-changer vacuum, and then the 2 set. Okay, and this one is a basic vacuum, the machine 1325, and very simple machine, CNC router 1325, very economic one. And then we also have a CNC laser, CO2 laser, and also CNC laser fiber laser, yellow one. And then we also have the CNC milling and grinding machine.